Hello and welcome. Thank you for coming back today. If you listened yesterday, you are already improving. You do not need to study hard, you just need to listen. Every day, your brain is learning, even when you do not see it. So relax, take a deep breath, and listen. Tom is a quiet man. He does not talk much. He works in a small office. Every day is the same. He wakes up, he goes to work, he comes home. He feels tired. He feels something is missing. One day he sees a video. It is about learning English. The video says, "Just listen every day." Tom thinks, this is easy, so he tries. The first day, he listens for 10 minutes. He does not understand much. The words are fast. The sounds are strange. He feels confused, but he does not stop. The next day, he listens again. Still difficult, but he hears something new. He hears simple words. Hello. Thank you. Good morning. He feels a little happy. Every day he listens, sometimes in the morning, sometimes at night. Sometimes he is tired, but he still listens. After 1 week, something changes. He can follow short sentences. He starts to understand small things. Not everything, just a little, but that is enough. One day at work, he hears a foreign customer. The customer speaks English. Tom feels nervous, very nervous, but he remembers something. Just listen. So he listens carefully. He does not try to speak, he just listens. Slowly, he understands. Not every word, but enough. He smiles. For the first time, he feels confident. That night, he goes home. He sits down, he puts on his headphones, and he listens again. Now it feels different. The sounds are softer. The words are clearer. He is not afraid anymore. Tom is still learning. He is not perfect, but he is changing. Slowly, quietly, every day. And you are here again. You are listening. That means something. You are changing too. Just listen. 10 minutes a day. And one day, you will understand more than you think. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.